So we can create using a dot panel class. And as we discussed, panel is a container and it will have a body, panel body. Okay, so this is an example. You can create a heading, panel heading, using dot panel heading keyword. And the dot panel default class is used to style the color of the panel. Okay, so let's take this example. What's that huge sound?
Sorry.
It's okay. I felt something fell down, so the noise was very huge.
No, it's a sound.
Okay, we have included division. So this division is included for panel. So class equal to panel, and it is a default panel. And panel heading is, we want to give some heading to the panel. Let's say list of, okay, let's say list of chairs. Okay, list of chairs. Panel body has, let's say Nilkamal. Chetan. Okay, so we'll take some 4 types, and as we know, we have to include we'll include bootstrap title. Okay, so we have included 3 important files, that is min.css, bootstrap.min.css, and jquery.min.js, bootstrap.min.js. Okay, these 3 are the files that we are supposed to include from CDN to have a bootstrap effect. And body, and inside the body we have included panel, bootstrap panel. So inside the panel we have a heading of some, we want to give list of chairs, and then we are giving bootstrap using bootstrap body, that is div class panel body is Nilkamal so and so, that we are giving or else we can take a separate list also inside this body. Okay,
Okay.
the way we created here list of pharmacies div class equal to, okay, these things we can use. Div class equal to row div class equal to call md3 style background lavender. So in this way, like a list we can use. List groups. Anything we can use in the panel. Okay, div class equal to list group, ahref equal to, or else simply we can use like a list item.
Mm.
So inside the same div, panel div, inside the panel, we are using panel body as well as some list. Let us see how it displays. Okay, so this is a panel heading. Color is default color, gray color for heading. And
Yeah.
these are displayed as without any border, just like a list it is displayed. And this we know. This is from our list, ordered list, unordered list that we have created. Since we use badges, it is displaying along with badges. Okay, we can simply remove this if we want.
Yeah.
Okay, let us give some color. Panel default is taking gray color. And we'll use this footer also. Usually in footers, we'll have some contact address. Okay, so header and footer. Header and footer, panel header and footer, and in between you will have list of items.
Yeah.
And we can also group them panel group. To group many panels together, wrap a div class with a class this dot panel hyphen group. So this is how we can create like this panel group. Inside this a panel, just like list items. Okay, and another div, panel default, panel body. So you can have multiple panel bodies. In a panel group, you can have multiple panels, and every panel will have, okay, this is a panel. So you can have multiple panels. This is a panel group. This is nothing but panel group. This is panel 1, panel 2, and panel 3. Okay, panel 1, panel 2, and panel 3. This is a panel group. Header and footer. Every panel will have a header and footer. Header 1, footer 1, header 2, footer 2, header 3, footer 3. So in this way, panel group can have multiple group of panels, and every panel can have header and footer. Let me save this
Yes.
panel. And again, for panels also, you can apply context, default, primary, success. Same thing, like colors will change, panel info, panel danger, and drop downs. Drop downs is again a new element. Just like in HTML, we have a drop down menus. A drop down menu is a toggleable menu that allows the user to choose one value from the predefined list. We know this. So from Bootstrap perspective, you have to include a class this way. Let's take this example now. So inside this panel, I want to display the drop down. So panel default. Let me take panel heading. Okay, so inside the panel, I am displaying this drop down button. So class equal to drop down, button type, button primary, drop down toggle, type equal to button, data toggle equal to drop down. Okay, so let me take up this. Okay, let me save this. Since these are hyperlinks, so it will be displayed like this.
Okay.
If class equal to drop down, okay, data type. Okay, so here is the explanation. The drop down class indicates drop down menu. Okay, to open the drop down menu, use a button. I think it is not displaying properly here. Let's try in Explorer. Because it should allow us to toggle, right? So
Yeah.
that is not displayed. So something wrong with the browser, I believe. Let's check in Explorer. Let's create it outside the panel. Creating it outside the panel. Let us see the difference. See here a symbol also it is not giving. We should get a symbol for drop down here, arrow like symbol. Even that is not displayed. So it is not displaying properly. Can you check in your system?
Yes.
Execute and let me know.
Yeah. No, it is not shown. Hello.
Yes, Namrata.
Yeah, it's not showing.
It's not showing. Okay.
No.
Oh, we did not include this one, right?
Bootstrap.
We did not include Bootstrap, and we have to put panel also in a container. See, now we got.
No, it's showing.
Okay. So this is nothing but drop down menu using a Bootstrap classes. And if you do not use this caret span, you don't get this arrow symbol. Span caret class equal to caret style. This one you have to use. Otherwise, you don't get this arrow symbol. This arrow you won't get. I have removed simply button I am using. Class equal to button primary, and it is of type toggle, and input type is button. I think this is not required. Data toggle equal to drop down. Okay, let us execute. See, there is no arrow symbol.
Hmm.
So that is only for better visibility. You have to use a span. To display it is a drop down menu. Okay, next. Okay, drop down divider. You can also classify into classes using a divider. Groups, in other words. Drop down header, drop down. Class equal to divider. List item class equal to divider. We are supposed to use this one. Okay, so here we will use list item as a divider. Okay. Now it is displaying. So like this, you can create categories also. Any doubts in this? Are you clear so far? You can create hello.
No. Hello.
Yeah. Any doubts so far how to create a drop down and list the items in a drop down and create according to the groups.
Okay. Yeah.
List
No
item.
doubts so far. Yeah.
Okay. And you can also disable some items. You can disable by using disabled and active and drop down position to right align the drop down. You can use drop down menu right. So this alignment you can use left right. You can align it. So this is not very much. Okay, you can use this style also upwards. Drop down always need not be displaying down. You can also use upwards. So up, yeah, up also you will get. So you can try this drop down accessibility. Okay, when there is large amount, you can use collapsible. Button data toggle equal to collapse you can use. If you use collapse, data will be, when there is huge data. So we'll use collapse. So instead of drop down, we will use collapse. So let us see. Here it is not displaying anything because I used collapse type.
Yeah.
Drop up is not working. Can you please check it?
Yeah.
I think here we have to make a change. Drop up. Yes, I have sent it.
Yeah.
Showing the symbol, but it is not showing the contents. Okay. How about the contents?
No, it's not showing. We can continue. Can we continue tomorrow? Because
Yes,
I
yes,
have
yes.
to. Yeah.
Yes, yes, definitely. We'll continue tomorrow.
Okay. Fine. Thank you.
Thank you.